What if I told you you can become fluent in English without a teacher, without a speaking partner, and even without leaving your home? Yes, it's possible. In today's world, you don't need people to practice English. You need methods that force you to use English daily. In this video, I'll show you simple, powerful ways to practice English alone and actually improve your speaking, listening, and confidence. Let's begin. Change your mindset first. Most learners think, I can't practice because I have no one to talk to. That's completely wrong. Because English is not only a conversation skill, it is a thinking and a speaking skill. Even native speakers practice alone when learning something new. So stop waiting for people. Start using what you already have: your voice, your mind, your phone. That's enough. Talk to yourself, the most powerful method. This is the easiest and most effective technique. Just talk to yourself in English about anything. For example, what should I eat today? I am going to school or work now. Today was a tiring day. At first, it will feel strange, but this is how your brain learns fluency. Just say everything that you are doing. When you are doing something, say that to yourself, like, I am entering the house. Now I have closed the door. This is how you are training your mind to think in English. Shadowing. Copy native speakers. This method is used by professionals. Here's how it works. Watch a short English video, listen carefully, pause, repeat exactly like the speaker. Focus on pronunciation, tone, and speed. Even 10 minutes daily can improve your speaking dramatically. Use your phone like a teacher. Your phone is not just for entertainment. Turn it into an English practice tool. Change phone language to English. Watch English YouTube videos daily. Record your own voice. Use AI chat tools for conversation practice. Your environment is your teacher. Mirror practice. Stand in front of a mirror and speak. Talk about your day, your plans. Why mirror practice works? You see your expressions, you build confidence, you reduce fear of speaking. Even 5 to 10 minutes daily is powerful. Practice English in 3 steps. Think in English, don't translate from your language. Speak out loud. Say your thoughts immediately. Write daily. Write 5 to 10 sentences about your day. Example: Today I woke up early. I studied English for 30 minutes. I learned this and this and this. This builds natural fluency. Daily solo practice routine. It's a simple plan. If you're serious, follow this. 10 minutes shadowing, 10 minutes speaking to yourself, 10 minutes listening, and 10 minutes writing. Only 40 minutes daily, but consistency is everything. Common mistakes. You have to avoid these. Waiting for perfect grammar. Only watching videos without speaking. Being afraid of mistakes. Practicing once in a while. Remember, fluency comes from repetition, not perfection. You don't need a classroom to learn English. You need discipline, daily practice, and self confidence. If you practice alone every day, your English will improve faster than most people in classes. Start today, even 10 minutes is enough. If you enjoyed this video, Like, subscribe, comment the topic you want me to cover in my next video. See you in the next video.